Po natin si Attorney Rogelio Casurao, Vice Chairman at Executive Officer po ng National Police Commission. Attorney Casurao, magandang hapon po.
Gigi, good afternoon.
Apa, dito po sa investigasyon na gagawin ng NAPOLCOM laban dun sa mga Police General ay paano po ang magiging sistema? Kanina po, prenisinta na nila yung sarili nila kay General De La Rosa. So ano na po yung susunod na hakbang dito?
Yung trabaho po ng legal team ng NAPOLCOM ay nag-umpisa na kanina. And they are now in the stage of validating the intelligence reports that are available in connection with the alleged complicity of this general in relation to the drug problem. So nakapag-umpisa na sila ng kanilang trabaho, may tasking na sila. They have gone through the process now of dividing among themselves the task of validating the information available to them. And as I said earlier in our original meeting, they are mandated to complete the evidence, the investigation in 1 week's time. Mga 7 days lang, they're supposed to conclude that already, and so that it can proceed to the next stage of the proceeding.
Apo. Sir, pag sinabi po bang mga intelligence reports ay ito ba'y hindi lang nangangahulugan na kumbagay parang yung summary o mga kwento, mga computerized na kwento, kundi may mga litrato o video ho ba ito kung saan halimbawa nakipagkita sila sa drug lord sa isang lugar o nakunan po ng CCTV? Meron po bang ganong elemento kayong na-expect mula sa mga ebidensyang hawak ng mga intelligence community?
Well, actually, frankly, I am not familiar yet with the kind of evidence that our intelligence community has. No? That's why pinababalidate namin ito, because by then we will know the kind of evidence that we will be entertaining in connection with the investigation. Kasi alam mong ebidensya, GK, will take so many forms. It can be optic evidence, it can be documentary, it can be by way of written testimonies, and by probably by videos under our present system now of itong advanced technology natin. So by then we will be able to discern what sort of evidence we will be using in the course of our investigation. Until such time we will come up with a declaration whether there's probable cause against the respondent here.
Apo. Sa panigo ng NAPOLCOM, paano nyo naman masisiguro na magiging patas po yung investigasyon ninyo? Dahil katulad ni Mayor Luot, General Luot, sinasabi niya na politika lang yan, may black propaganda, paninira. So, kumbaga, paano nyo tinitiyak na magiging patas po itong gagawin nyo po ninyong investigasyon?
Gigi, we must bear in mind that it is a civilian law. And as such, we are mandated under existing laws to observe all the elements of due process. Kaya po, it's very clear in the Constitution that the PNP is supposed to be civilian in character, although it's national in scope. It is predicated by the democratic principle that due process should be observed in the conduct of the investigation over these respondents now. By the way, Gigi, I would like to emphasize at this early na ang aming investigation will be limited to the 3 police officers who are still in the active service. So we have nothing to do with General Luot and General Garbo because they are already retired. So ang aming concentration ay dito lang sa 3 respondents who are still in the active service. Kasi the most that we can impose is separation from the service. That's the supreme penalty that an administrative body like NAPOLCOM can impose. Yung iba po, they will be proceeded against according to our existing criminal law. So that's a big explanation there that we want the public to understand.
Apa. Bilang panghuli po, ano ho ang mensahe nyo rin sa publiko kaugnay po nitong napakalaking investigasyon na inyo pong ginagawa?
Makakaasa po ang publiko na ayon po sa bench, sa hallmark ng Duterte administration pagdating po sa igpit ng bagong gobyerno natin, pagdating sa usaping droga. As ever and as always, the NAPOLCOM is always there to support these laudable programs kasi wala naman pong gobyerno na maghahangat nang hindi makakabuti sa ating lipunan at sa mga citizens. No? So, hindi po ito bago sa NAPOLCOM. In fact, this is the all-time policy of the Commission na kung ano po ang dapat ikilos ng mga kapulisan, dapat naayon po sa batas. Kaya ng sinasaad ng Republic Act 6975 at Republic Act 8551, in addition to the constitutional provision on how the police should behave vis-a-vis its discharge of the function of maintaining peace and order and to serve and protect our citizens. Hindi pa ito mawawala sa ganong parameters.
Apo. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon. Si Attorney Rogelio Casurao, Vice Chairman at Executive Officer po ng National Police Commission. Maraming salamat.